movements in the Yodha race are already part of something that we do. So we train a lot of functional and CrossFit movements. For me, I would say, or for us, what we did differently is just basically added a little bit more running. My name is Tom. We are from Delhi. We run a fitness facility by the name of Cal Funk, and I'm 35 years old.
Vidushi, I'm 33, based out of Delhi, and again, Calfunk, and we are basically married. That's our relationship, yeah.
Fitness journey has been great. I mean, we've been training not just for this, but general fitness for pretty much all our lives. So fitness has been part of our lives since very long. Yeah.
Same, like I started off as a dancer, choreographer, transitioned to a CrossFit athlete, and got really inspired by this sort of format. So that's why I'm here to compete.
Zone 1 was rowing, which was pretty easy. We didn't have any problems with that. We were
Breeze through rowing.
we were actually thinking that we would face a lot of problems in the sleds, but fortunately it wasn't a problem. The grass was smooth, and we were hoping that it would be a straight surface, which it was. So I'm really happy about that they put turf over there. So the sleds were not a problem.
Yeah, and there were no folds, so that was something that really worked in our favor.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. The sled pulling, I would say, was a little bit challenging in terms of the rope getting behind us, but not an issue.
Yeah.
I think everything after that was relatively easy. Like, for example, box jump, the kettlebells. What else was there?
Wall ball shots.
Wall ball shots,
Lunges.
and the lunges. It was smooth. So up till zone 3, we were thinking we will pace ourselves, but after that, we just went all out.
We feel pretty ecstatic. We understand that there are certain aspects during the race that we need to work on in order to come back stronger next year. So that is the mentality that is right now. Like for me, like I really need to work on my running. So that's where my direction is. And it was such a great experience to just understand, where you're kind of lagging and what are your strengths and weaknesses. That's about it. Yeah. 100%.
I think most likely I'll probably go to Bangalore and play the individual now.